Hey gorgeous and hey charmers, this is me Tehreem Zuberi and today we are going to do a very exciting video, and I use for this video every month. Why? Because this subscription box comes every month and this is boxycharm. So before I start the video, you have to go and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload any video or any news. So let's just start it. The first thing I was very excited is skin 3. So triple one skin. Yes, that's what you call it. And what's this? It's Harley Street, London. Sorry. Okay, so this is 111 skin or 111 skin, and this is Celestial. This is 111 skin Celestial Black Diamond Contour Gel, gel contour. What this product is basically, sorry for my fumbling. This is a night cream, night gel, so you can use it after washing your face, after applying any normal moisturizer you apply, and then you can apply this especially on the area where you have fine lines and where you have laugh lines. So it will cover you, fill in your laugh lines or fine lines and make your skin look brighter, healthier and plumper. Alright, and the second thing we have is CAB. It's CAB lip oil. So basically, what is lip oil? We moisturize our body with different oils. We moisturize our face, we moisturize our body with different oils. So this is the face oil, and you can just use it whenever you want, maybe in the daytime, maybe in the night time, before putting any lipstick or lip gloss. It's very hydrating, it's very good, and I just love the soft pinky mauve color, and it's beautiful. I will just share the wand with you. It's amazing. It's very easy. It smells good also. Okay, and the third thing we are going to unveil is I just love it. Since I do not apply too many eyelashes, too many fake eyelashes or false eyelashes, this is Damn Girl. Wow. This is from Too Faced, and I always love their mascaras. They have beautiful mascaras, and I just love it. And it says a 24 hours mascara. Yeah, it's good. And then we have a setting spray. It says rose water setting spray, makeup setting spray, spray fixture sorry, I do not know Spanish, my bad. Okay, so you can simply use it after any makeup and just set your makeup. It's a setting spray, and what smells good, not too hard and not too soft. It's a good smell. It's little citrusy, little rosy, but it's nice. And we have this beautiful illuminate, what is the name? Let me see, sorry, my bad. It says Illuminati Cosmetics. All right, it is for $21, and it's a normal sponge, and I think you will never say that you have enough sponges. At least I can't say. The more you have, the more you need. So it's good. It's not as soft as Morphe or Elf or Beauty Blender, but it's nice. It's little different, little stiff than other brands we use already. So it's beautiful. All right, let me just go through this card. It says boxycharm Lucky, the March ones. Okay, the Black Diamond Contour Gel is for $140. Thank you so much, boxycharm, for sending this to me, because I would never buy this expensive product. Okay, and the second mascara we have showed you was $26. Totally worth it. Totally worth it. Okay, Marvin Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray is for $22. Nice. I like it. It's a good product. CAB Cosmetic Hydrating Lip Oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty, and hello to juicy and hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Wow. Swipe this formula on for comfortable juicy lips all day long. Yes, I like it. Okay, so this is Illuminati Cosmetics Sponge, an endless reusable high definition cosmetic sponge applicator. Okay, so it's not that beauty blender type of thing, but it's nice. It has different kind of feel, little stiff but a nice feel. So I think it's all together around $200+ box. And how much did I pay for this? Let's see, just okay, only if I know the way. Okay, 140 plus 26 plus 22 plus 20 plus 21. Okay, so yeah, $229. How much I've paid? I paid only $27. So I just love boxycharm because it makes you try new products and make your makeup collection, you know, even wider, and you have different kind of varieties. Sometimes you go to the shop or stores or, you know, Sephora, you want to buy something but you're reluctant and you're not sure whether you're going to buy it or not. Sometimes the products are really nice but you've never tried it, so you're just waiting the other person to recommend that product to you. But boxycharm, through this box, what they are doing is they're sending you different kind of products and different kind of cosmetics and skincare both, so you can try them out, and next time it's easier for you to decide whether you're going to buy it or not. So I just love it. So this was the video for today, and I am just going to say goodbye to you all. And how did you like my video? You can tell this, and if you like my video, you just have to press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and notification bell, so you will notify every single time I'll upload my video. Thank you so much. Love you all.